Hi, everybody. I hope you're doing well. My name is Seth Matthews. I'm the Associate Dean for Social Sciences overseeing the Human Service Program. And as of today, I'll be taking over the HSE 315 course as your instructor as well. It's unusual and unexpected and unfortunate to be having to make you guys change instructors here in week 3. Life does happen, and my goal is going to be to make this as seamless a transition as we possibly can. I've taken a quick peek inside the course. One thing I want to apologize for in advance is that the grading is behind. I apologize for that. I'm going to do everything I can over the next couple of days to hopefully get all of the outstanding work graded with appropriate feedback back to you guys by tomorrow close of business. Okay. Secondly, I see there were a lot of questions about the discussion boards, and I'm having a little bit of trouble figuring out if those have been resolved for you, if you still do have outstanding questions. If you are dealing with challenges with the access for the group discussions, please do let me know. I'm going to be sending an email out to everybody with my contact information, as well as a link to this video. Go ahead and respond back to that. Let me know if you're having any trouble with the discussion group posts or any other challenges that you faced thus far in the course that I can help you with. Now, moving forward, great topic. You don't need to do anything more than open the newspaper, if anyone still does that, or open the browser or check the news to see that substance abuse is probably the number one, potentially dealing with some mental health stuff, but substance abuse is probably the number one issue facing the human service community in our world today. So we're definitely doing cutting edge frontline stuff. My goal is going to be to get you guys some announcements tying what we're studying specifically into what we're seeing out in the field and in the community as we go forward. Okay, you can't really work in the field at any level anymore without having exposure to substance abuse. Some of you might be thinking, well, I only really plan on working with the young kids. Well, guess what? Young kids have parents, and those parents are very likely. I'm sorry, I want to rephrase that. Not every parent that we work with in the field is going to be dealing with substance abuse issues, but it will be likely that many of the populations that we serve and that you'll be serving once you graduate are dealing with substance abuse issues. There can be a lot of that we will see. Gerontology, those of you who want to focus on working with seniors. Do you know how hard it is to find folks that can pass a drug test to work as a direct support professional in a residential treatment facility right now? It's really hard. This issue is pervasive. And the good news is we're starting to see the application of resources designed specifically to support our struggle as a profession with the substance abuse crisis in our country. So bad news, we've got a real problem. Good news is we're finally coming around with unified supports and approaches and funding. And we're going to talk a little bit more about that as we go forward in the class. So administratively, if you're running with any challenges that I can help you with, reach right out. I will be getting as much grading done and back to you in a quality way as I can by close of business tomorrow. My real goal is to try to get you guys all the way caught up, but I am human, right? So I'll get as much as I can, but I want to make sure you're getting the right and good feedback as well. But that's what I'm taking my shot at tomorrow afternoon. I'll be posting all my contact information. I do phone calls by appointment, so if you need to set up a time to chat, you feel free. Send me an email, we'll set up an appointment. We can talk through any questions that you have. Look forward to getting to know you all as we move forward in the course. Have a great day.